Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Delphi YouTube channel. This is our first video going out, more or less just introducing ourselves to the trading world out there. Just kind of talking about who we are, what we do, and how we have and continue to crush it for our community. So, a little bit about us. I, along with our traders at Delphi, have a combined about 80 years trading experience. We cover everything from directional swing trades to day trades to crypto trades, high levered crypto trades, long-term crypto positions with our folio, unusual option activity. We have a charts channel, an educational channel, and obviously our community chat. So we have a lot going on at Delphi. There are no other platforms out there that are offering what we're offering. So yeah, there's just a lot going on here. But the main brains and the majority of our success for our trades and the force behind that is what's called the Delphi Signal. Now, the Delphi Signal is a back-tested and checked trading signal that we have been using for, almost 2 years. And it is hands down the best trading signal out there. Okay. I know we're here at Delphi, but we're not just saying that. Okay. I've been trading for over 25 years and there is no signal like this. Okay. It is extremely powerful. The success rate on it and what it's been doing for our community has just been unbelievable. Okay. Now we're going to dive a little deeper into the Delphi Signal on an upcoming video that we're putting out, kind of getting more into it, what it's all about, how we use it. But just kind of for this video's kind of introductory purposes, just kind of a little teaser here on what the signal looks like and, and what it can do. So this is the signal up here. Okay. You can see here we have a column for the stock symbols. We have a column for the candles associated with the buy or sell signals, which are here. Obviously the current price, this is all real-time data. And then we have a really cool feature here for options, which I'll show you in a second, which gives traders a very fast and easy and clear look at some options that they might want to trade. Now, these aren't recommendations. We're not financial advisors here. This is just a tool to help our traders kind of spot out maybe some quick options instead of like going to their trading platform, searching option chains and all that, right? And a really, really cool feature is that we have integrated trading view, okay, into the signal, okay? And what's great about that is that, as you can see on this chart here with TRP on, was down here, we could see a TRP with a hammer buy signal, okay? That is not what's really cool on here. Obviously, it shows us real-time alerts, okay? But the thing that we love the most about this is that past signals stay on the trading view charts, okay? So this is in fact real-time back testing or fact checking what the signals have done in the past on every chart, every stock. Okay, and we can see here on TRP, there was a buy signal here, which is that green hammer, and we can see what happened after that, right? Straight up on that buy signal. So look, this is not a guarantee. Nothing is guaranteed in trading. If there's platforms of people out there saying that they have 100% win rates or they never lose a trade, we would be careful going to those people because it just doesn't happen, okay? But this is a very normal occurrence on the Delphi signal, okay? You'll see our win rate in a minute. But again, this is just a quick look at what the signal looks like on the TradingView chart, on the actual signal here itself, okay? and the usual result of those signals. Okay. So yeah, moving on. Again, here's just a quick look. These were Google options. When you hit the options tab, this is what comes up for the trader to look at. This is a AI algorithmic feature on here, depending when in the month, where the stock is compared to options. It's giving us low, medium, and high risk options. Okay. Again, for whatever the trader wants to trade according to their trading style. Okay. So this is a really cool option. Again, that helps our traders out really fast just by one click of the button. Okay. For this to come up. So talking about the performance, here's where you can see what happened in 2024. Okay. This 2024, I mean, there are just no words for how the year went. Okay. Now, all of our trades are documented, they are journalized. As you'll see, our trades are posted in our community. So everything can be checked, go back and look at it. Okay. So just to kind of give a kind of a visual of what happened in 2024, again, almost over 1100% for the year of 2024. Simply incredible. We had such an amazing trading year in our community that there are no words for how the year went. Okay. And then, just kind of looking at a closer look, daily P&L. Again, you can see a lot of green, a lot of big green bars, and of course, red, right? Like we said, nobody's perfect. There's going to be red days, there's going to be losing trades. But the name of the game is to have your green outweigh your red, which you can see here we clearly do. Okay. So again, just an amazing year last year. And we're not stopping, this year again has been a really amazing so far. But here is the performance of the Delphi signal. Okay. Again, journalized. Everything is here for 2024. Over 76% win rate. You can see our trades here, profit factor just crazy, over 6, and a day win rate of almost 80%. Okay. These numbers you do not see every day. Okay. These are just really, really incredible numbers. So again, Delphi Signal, absolutely crushing it. Okay. And, this year has already started off with a bang. Okay. You can see what we've done here this year already. Okay. Again, look at all the green bars, only one red day. So, 2025 is already starting off as planned and then some. Okay. And you can see here where we're at so far this year already, 170%. Okay. This is going off a $10,000 account. So pretty remarkable what we've done already in 2 months here at Delphi, right? Look at the win rate, 22-3. We challenge anybody to bring a platform to us that is doing better than this. Okay. Profit factor 14. And again, huge daily win rate. So these numbers are just outstanding. We're very happy with what's going on here. Our community and our traders are killing it. So, that's why we're here, right? We're doing what we're doing for our community. And you can see what our community is doing, okay? Just incredible gains here, 911% here. Another trader here. Now, this is just incredible. Last year, took a $1,400 account, over $20,000, all documented in this trading account. And this was in 3 months, 1,100%. Again, thanks to the Delphi signal. Okay. Just incredible stuff that we're doing here. So, we didn't spend too much time on the Delphi signal itself. Why? Because we're more than just a trading signal. Okay. Yes, the Delphi signal is an amazing tool that we use, but really just as important and just as valuable is our trading community. Okay. Which we call the Delphi Room. Okay. So here's just a live look at our Discord channel. Okay. Where we do all our amazing work. Okay. We'll just go through these channels here just to kind of give you guys a feel with what's going on, right? So this is the daily chat, the Delphi chat, which you can see is very active. Okay, we post some trades in here. We had some MSTR super lottos, that were up, you know, 200%. Some other trades here, some other MSTRs up 200%. So the chat is very active. We're posting stuff in here. Sometimes we'll post a performance. This was for the week, 95%. We had 13 and 1 in our trades, just incredible stuff. So this is, the chat, right? A lot of stuff being posted here. We post some charts in here. These were some MSTR calls, which we'll actually talk about towards the end. Got in these like at 40 cents, and you can see they hit $9. Just incredible stuff that's going on in the chat room. Okay. But again, that's not everything what we have going on here. We have the Delphi Signal trades. Okay. These trades are coming off of the Delphi Signal itself. Okay. So a lot of people in our community just love trading the Delphi Signal. Okay. And why wouldn't you? Because again, we showed you that success rate over 76%. And already this year, we're hitting our targets on our trades. You could see hit, right? All these targets are hitting. These IWMs, these actually, we got in at 207 and closed them out the very next day at 430. Okay. So again, we're doing amazing stuff here at Delphi. Again, Leviathan is in here in the day trade room, just absolutely crushing it. Okay. And the proof is in the pudding. What's great, Leviathan actually posts the trade before he takes it. And then he posts a screenshot of his actual trade. Every trade he's posting in here, he's taking. Okay. So we can see that 30% here. Okay. Going down the list, 13% there, 4%. Okay. 11%. Again, he's posting everything, 15%, 50% on this one, on Peloton. Simply incredible. Okay. And it keeps going. 30%. Okay. We could just keep seeing 19%, 28%. Okay. So we could just see here what he's doing in his day trade room. Okay. We also have another channel that we just added recently. These are all the other trades that I am basically putting out that are not associated with the Delphi Signal. Okay. A lot of times we trade option flows, which we'll talk about. So a lot of the trades, those trades, we created a room just to put in here so they don't get lost in our chat, because our chat can be very active. Okay. So those trades go in here, which have been doing incredible, all in our numbers, right? So, then we have other features in here. We have charts that we post, daily, which a lot of the times are amazing forecasts. Like this one here on IWM, closed under the averages yesterday, even though bouncing today, that open gap below is still in play. Well, yesterday, this gap did fill. That forecast played out. Okay. So we do amazing stuff reading the charts here. Okay. With the indexes, with actual stocks. Again, you could see here the Qs could have further the fall. Well, yesterday, the Qs actually closed at 526. If I tell you that right now, that's where the Qs closed at. So the Qs actually did have further to fall. So that was amazing analysis that we did on that. But again, just another one of the things we're doing here at Delphi. Okay. And again, we have a crypto channel here that we post a lot of information on crypto, on different cryptos, charts, some that we like. Just a lot of information we're putting out here at Delphi. Leviathan's in here again, doing his high levered crypto trading. Okay. The guy is amazing. We can see here again, posting his trades, 26%. Okay. 7%, 5%, 9%, 14%, 21%. Rocket ships. We can see what he's doing in there. Just, there's a loser. So he's not immune, right? There are losses, but a lot of green, a lot of his account postings just going up, right? So amazing stuff here, 30% from Leviathan. And we also have a crypto folio for those who don't want to trade crypto, who just want to maybe invest and get into some buy and holds. Okay. So We do a lot of stuff in here. Okay. So even like here, we entered a position here on HNT and it's already up over $4. So again, we're just doing amazing stuff here. But, and then we have some market analysis. We put out analysis twice a week, videos that go out. We do have week in review, which goes over our performance. We post all our trades in here, which you can see. This week we did 42%. This week we did over 104%. Again, just crazy, crazy stuff in here, going 13 and 2 for the week. So this is where all of our performance stuff goes that we document, okay? And of course, we have some market sentiment stuff, our testimonials, our cycle line, which nobody does out there, okay? There is not a platform anywhere, maybe even in the world, that has this, okay? Why is it so important? Because we've traded this for over 2 years, and this has only been wrong once, okay? One time in 2 years has this been wrong. And, we update our community on this, okay? We can see here, we posted, we update, we can clearly see cycle reversal line February 20th. This was coming up. We told our community about it. We prepared them for what could possibly happen, like what happened back here when we absolutely crushed it on index puts on this last cycle line. You can see what happened. We just absolutely crushed it for everybody in our community. And again, not same situation this time. Look what just happened. We were just talking about the index is crashing and dumping off of our forecast. Well, look what just happened here on the cycle line. Okay, we can see that, a major market dump. We cashed out many, many index SPY puts basically in a couple days for large, huge wins. Okay, so this, again, is what you get here. Nobody is doing this anywhere in the world. Nobody is following cycle lines or all this kind of stuff, okay? And then last but not least, UOA, okay? UOA is unusual option activity. Again, this is something we do here. Nobody's doing it. Yes, there are platforms out there that have option flows and they're posting all the option flows that are coming throughout the day, right? Well, we don't just do that. We parse out the option flows to give us the highest probability wins, right? Now, this is not an exact science. It's not a guarantee, but nobody's doing this. We're parsing out all the option flows all day long, and we're posting the relevant ones, okay? So, and we're even doing it after hours, okay? Just to see what these index puts did, okay? We are putting out, we do have UOA weekly recaps, which you'll be seeing in the YouTube channel. But again, just to show you these 42 puts on IWM that they bought after the market, the very next day, these closed over $5, okay? Kind of going back to the cycle line and showing you what the indexes did, okay? And this is what we're doing here, okay? Our traders have cashed out huge wins on unusual option flows, okay? So again, nobody's doing that anywhere. And just to kind of give you guys an idea what that looks like, just to show you a couple of these, okay? For an example, here, somebody came in and bought over 11,000 of these SMCI 38 calls for $1.81, okay? And if we want to see what those did, no words here, right? Rocket ship straight up, right? 81 cents posted, and literally a couple days later, these things hit over $9, okay? So simply incredible. This translates into our community, people trading these. We post trades. Our traders post trades on stuff like this when it comes through. And again, it's not a guarantee. It doesn't happen all the time. But when it does, you can see the gains that can be made off of our UOA channel, okay? So nobody's doing this, okay? Just going on to some other ones, okay? Down here, we won't get into the AMD killer train we had, but you can see here, we posted, parlaying AMD profits into PDD, 122 calls for 80 cents, okay? UOA again, PDD, UOA. got in those for 80 cents. Again, posted it in our channel for our community. So let's look what these did. Okay, here they are right here. Those 122 calls got in at 80 cents. We closed them the very next day at 380. Okay, near the highs. We told our community, whoever took these trades, we're closing them at the open, because a lot of times, you know, these open up high and then closed low the rest of the day. And we scored huge on this overnight trade again, 80 cents to 380, right? So simply incredible there. But it didn't stop there either, okay? We had some MicroStrategy calls come through, okay? We had some 335s that we bought, you know, bought them 42 cents down here, right? Posted in our community, right? And let's just look what these did. Absolutely incredible. Talk about a rocket ship. Okay, got in these, a cost average of 55 cents. Look at what the high of the day was. These hit over $10. There's just no words for this. Okay, simply incredible. And again, this is what we're doing here at Delphi. Okay, nobody is doing this anywhere in any kind of trading community. Okay, nobody is doing this. So again, simply incredible stuff. You know, this is what we're here for. This video went a little bit longer than we wanted to, but we thought it's very important for everybody out there to see and know what we're doing here. Okay, nobody's doing what we're doing here. We're just doing incredible things. Our traders are just making a lot of money, being, you know, day in, day out, week in, week out, following what we're doing, using our tools, using our channels, following the traders here. And again, there are just no words for how things have gone, and we're not stopping. Okay, we were planning another big 2025 and even many years after that. So hope you guys enjoyed this introductory video. Again, we are posting more and more things on our YouTube channel, so look out for those videos. And, you know, as always, we wish you guys the best and look forward to seeing you at Delphi. Take care.